The next generation of clean energy is here. Not just panels on a roof, but glass that generates power. CdTe Power. Generating glass, where architecture becomes a source of energy. Originally designed for building integrated photovoltaics, CdTe Power Glass now delivers the performance needed for utility-scale solar farms. Unlike silicon panels that require direct sunlight, Power Glass works efficiently under normal daylight, diffused light, and even man-made lighting. Though its peak wattage per square meter is lower, the total annual generation is over 10% higher, thanks to longer operating hours and better low-light performance. Power Glass eliminates hotspot risks and polymer aging, reducing maintenance costs by over 45%. With Class A fire safety and 50-year certification, it retains 87.5% of output after 25 years. Even with higher initial cost, CdTe Power Glass achieves 17 to 20% lower lifetime energy cost and 60% higher total revenue over 50 years. Power Glass isn't just a BIPV product, it's the evolution of solar technology. More generation, less maintenance, longer life.